Hello classmates. At this moment I will go ahead and critique three different applications done by our classmates. The first one is Jason Harris's Decker. As you can see, the very first problem is the color of the application's icon. In darker backgrounds, it's very difficult to see the letter D for the application. Once I run the application, the colors conflict with each other and make it very difficult to see the fonts that he used. At this point, I'm a little confused on what I needed to do to go ahead and use the application. After playing around with the application, I know that clicking on the Flickr button, I can go ahead and log into my account. If I click on View, I can go ahead and search for different images. And we'll just go ahead and try Batman. But again, I don't see anything happening. After playing around with the application, I realized the image I'm looking for needs to be typed on this bar here. And then I go ahead and get all the different images. If I highlight one of them, I'll get the information on them. So although the application was well done, it was a little bit confusing at first to use. Go ahead and close that. The next one is Jim Hatton Rapid Weather. The very first thing I noticed was his use of design for his application icon. Very well done, and I really enjoyed looking at it. Once I run it, again, there's a lot of information going on here, and I'm not sure exactly what I need to do at this point. After playing around with the application, I went ahead and clicked down here in the only input box, typed in my current zip code, hit the location button, and I get my information for the current weather here in Orlando. What I did notice is that in the next five-day forecast, I don't know which day is for which forecast. So I guess he missed out on the labels for each day of the week. Other than that, the information was good. The icons and images used was very good. I think it was very well done. The third one I wanted to go over was Jesse Showalter Flickster. And again, the very first thing I realized was the use of icon design that the application has. Very nice, very unique. And once I run the application, which takes a little bit of time, again, I'm compelled to go ahead and sign into my Flickr account. It's very simple to use, very easy to understand, and I was able to go ahead and play around with it and upload any images that I might have into my Flickr account. By far, this was probably the easiest one to use and understand.